I am live. Hello, good day. Good day, everyone. This is Pedro once again, and I'm doing live on an updates of for our Binance API, which is the management team, the management activity for your Binance API para sa inyong mga Binance nga nagpa-manage sa inyong mga accounts sa Binance. So, let's have an update, really quick update of what's going on, what's up with Bitcoin, and how is it going? Is it going down? Is it? Let's compare it to the last year. Let's compare it to like in a few minutes, or we can compare it in a few days. So yeah, let's uh, let's talk about it today. If you have any question, just type it down, and we can get you through. All right. Anyway, shout out for everyone, to everyone in the Philippines right now, especially sa Digos Live. In Digos Live, sa Family Care, Cryptocurrency, P. Drew, and on my YouTube channel. Hello, everyone. Good day, everyone. Okay, right now, San Francisco, it's on the lockdown, but it doesn't matter. We stay at home, and good thing for a trader because we only stay at home, and we are only focused on the trading outcome, and we can actually like watch if it is, what's the trend, what is the trending, or what are the possibilities and probabilities of the coin. Again, this is only cryptocurrency. I'm not talking about stocks, and I'm not talking dealing about foreign exchange or something related to that one because those are regulated and highly regulated. And also, most of the clients here for the cryptocurrency are from the Philippines. Most of my listeners are from the Philippines right now. So hello everyone, Philippines. Hello to Mindanao. Okay. Hello to Davao. Kumusta? Shout out sa taga Davao, taga Tagum, taga Cagayan de Oro City, and taga Jensen. I know you guys are already in sort of emergency right now because of the COVID virus, but okay. Other than that, we have so much news about it, and it's just every day. It's just coming on through to my wall. It's a lot of that. So let's talk about Bitcoin. Hello. All right. Bitcoin. Let's have an applause first. So the first thing I want to do is to show you on my screen on the price of Bitcoin right now. Okay, Bitcoin's price, and let's compare it from the last year. All right, there you go. On the screen right now, let me check if you're on the screen. There you go. You can see actually the Bitcoin price actually went up from just yesterday, diba? Yesterday I just said when I do that live cast again. This is live casting. Maingod to Facebook user. Paki-press lang sa ano para makita na ako imo ang name. Just yesterday, Bitcoin was 5,300. I think, yeah, 53 or 5,200 or 5,200 to a dollar. I mean, okay, Bitcoin to a dollar. So now it went bouncing up and down to 6,100, 6,147, 601. So it's moving up and it's moving down. And what do you think would be the trend? That would be a good question for today. So what is the resistance? What is the support? Now it depends actually on how you're going to trade, on what candle you are trading. So unsa nga kandila imong i-trade, kung unsa ka nga time frame or TF nga time frame you're going to trade, whether you are swing trading or you are spot trading or you are um scalp trading. So we will have about 30 minutes time, 30 minute, 15 and 30-minute time frame. We also have the 4-hour time frame for those who would like to swing. Now, what is the difference between the two? What's the significance between the two? Now, and I'll show you really quick in a few. For scalp trading, um, you don't profit that much, but the frequency of your trade is enormous. Like there's a lot of frequency, and you trade about 10 to 20 trades a day, but you profit only for 1%, 1.2%, or 2% because that's the average movement of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Even I don't know with forex. I don't know how they move in pips, but that would be a different story to tell. But I don't want to say that because that's already a regulated market, and I'm not going to do anything that's regulated market. Hello, JRD Grapes, maniud tuta. Okay, happy lunchtime for everyone. If you are all watching, paniud to na tatana, no? So it's actually lunchtime now there in the Philippines. So I think there will have a lot of like a few listeners who are eating right now as well. Okay, okay, okay. So maniud to, salamat kaayo sa ko ano sa pag ano sa sana siya pag-imbitar sa udto GRD Games. Okay, so atong gisgutan lang diferensya sa the difference between a spot trading and or spot or scalp and the swing trading. So there's a huge difference actually, and I'm going to show you again. I said unsay diferensya, and then also another thing that we're going to add today is signals. Okay, but the signal I'm going today could be like short term, meaning to say you can only scalp it. Okay, but do not swing it because if you swing it, then it might do a drawdown. Okay, so several questions that you would ask is hello Jesse, hello Danilo, kahes buto Ray paniudto nako diri karon butong buto o sa buto buto butong di ay. Okay, ang pangutana karon ang unsay question, what's the big question, unsay pangutana, unsay resistance ug unsa ang what is the resistance and what is the support. Again, two things. Now, if you ask that question, you have to know what time frame are you going to do. Are you going to scalp short term or are you going to swing? So these are the two things that we're going to watch on how long are you going to let your trade open, for how long would that be, okay? So ato nang discussan karon, ato nang storyahan karon. Anyway, sa katong nag API, those who have API already, don't forget to add our another Facebook page, no, Facebook group for only exclusive only for the API Binance. So nanatay grupo, di exclusive na ako sila dito para ma so I can keep in touch with you, especially with your API code. Sometimes there are errors in the API codes, which what's happened today with one of the account. Sayang, 21% pa naman unta or 25% pa naman unta ang profit. But anyway, those kind of things happen sa API. Kay siguro once ma-open, may matouch. So do not. So again, do not forget to add the API, the group page sa Binance na nakoy gi-share karon sa tong group sa Digos Live. Okay? So again, let's go back. 1 year. This will be quick. 1 year comparison. The same day, March 19, 2019, March 22, ang presyo, the price of Bitcoin is 3,900 or 3,972. Right, 3,000. That was last year sa Binance. Okay, nakita ninyo Binance, oh. Binance ang atong kuan kay Binance man kita pirmi. So ang presyo nakita nato na diri sa 39 ang presyo, no? Tanawa ang presyo. 3918, 3972. So ikumpara nato sa karon this year, look at the difference. Today's price is 6,175 or 78 or 6,178. So entonces ang Bitcoin ni Saka per year, okay? Comparison to last year. So this akong giingon gahapon, akong gi-mention gahapon, mao ni ang itawag nato nga iyahang stable price, mao ni iyahang gitawag na dili non-plastic price. Kay kani man pagtaas, these prices here, sometimes these are called plastic prices, no? Even katong nag 17,000 if you remember in 2017, mao to yung plastic, dito niya kuan na daghan lang tao ato na FOMO. Then after nag-FOMO, after they got into FOMO, they keep on buying, they buy, and then eventually it went down because that's the characteristic of Bitcoin. Okay, it's very volatile, and you have to be really careful when you trade Bitcoin. So the best way to do is to trade on alts, especially when Bitcoin is already doing sideways. Sa karon, wala pa kay sideways ang Bitcoin. So, just to let everyone know, so that's it. Mo ni ang ato ang quick overview sa Bitcoin. Eventually, Bitcoin, for those who are not familiar with Bitcoin yet, Bitcoin from last year of the same day increased about $1,000. Okay, so if you bought Bitcoin last year of the same price of 3,918, you profit about $2,000 by today. So yeah, that's it. Sa mga dili pa familiar with Bitcoin, no? So karon nakita ninyo, those who are familiar with Bitcoin, you can see that it's actually going up despite of the current events. No, despite of the current events. What was that? What is the current events? The coronavirus. Okay. Good evening, Facebook user. Good evening, no? Good evening all. Good morning, good afternoon, di from Tagum. Hello, shout out sa Tagum. Say mamingaw na ko aning mga taga Tagum nato. Kay kumusta naman mga trader sa Tagum nato? Nagilom-ilom na, nangadato na siguro ba? Again, guys, in trading, just to get you uh, um, a big an overview, an overarching idea is to profit. Is to yes, obviously it's for you to profit, but it's not going to be like skyrocket profit. It doesn't work that way. Okay, so if you want to trade safely, spot trading is a very safe trade, and scalp trading is also another way of safe trading, which is spot trading. You always have your asset with you, even though it's down, then you still have your asset. It just the price, the equivalent is just not different. It's just lower or higher. Okay. KZR Resmeros Bukidnon. Hello, kumusta din sa Bukidnon? No? Pangita nagkatapok-tapok KZR, para daghan mo, para dili mo malugi. What I'm saying. And then contact JRD Grapes if you're ready. Okay, balik ta sa atong presyo. Ang presyo karon 618. There were questions. Kung na may pangutana guys, just go ahead. Question. Ay lang ang mga technical ha. The questions like why I have a few trades lately. You look at the market, it's very unstable, it's very volatile, though Bitcoin went up significantly from 5,000 last week. I mean, yesterday, it went up like 6,000 today. So that's very volatile. That's about 15%, 20% rise. In fact, 20% day kapin. So sa katong mga API, those who have an API premium, I'll show you the profit. Okay, I'll show you the profit in a few. So, i-stop sa nako ni siya. This is the current profit. This is ongoing. And this is for the premium API. This is swing trade. All right, nakita ninyo? So, I open it 318, 318, 318. Ang tanawang oras. Unsang oras? So, sa Bitcoin Cash, it's already 29%. Meaning, if I'm going to close it today, I already have 29% for this position. Pero ulat lang sa, I'm patience. Well, what's going on? And then, can you put Bitcoin, USDT? I'm always using Tether for Bitcoin and for Bitcoin trade. And my probability yesterday, after I checked it, I said, you know what? It will go up, and I wasn't wrong, right? So you see, if you do premium with the Binance API, this is the kind of profit you will get. Okay, but guys, this is not the whole portfolio profit. This is per position, and it doesn't mean that you get already 29% of the whole portfolio. Nope, nope, no. The portfolio is being exposed to about at most 20%. Wow. Okay, that's still high. 15%. So 15% you got this for each position. So all right. And then mauni siya guys ang ato. Then the good thing with this one, as what I've said, that you have to sustain this for 6 months. Ulatan niyo because you can actually see the profit after 6 months. Like you read the description of this video. the description. Okay, that's what according to Cryptodamos. Cryptodamos is our trader. Okay, I'm just the handiwork of Cryptodamos. Uh, all right. Mao ni siya ang gitawag nato og swing trade. This is a swing trade because I will close this for about maybe 4 to 5 days, 4 to 7 days. Ayaw 4 to 5, 4 to 7 days, depending on the market. So that's why we keep on testing. There's some losses, but losses, you keep on trying, and then you see that and you read the market, what's going on, because it's not only indicators that will do uh, that's significant for the trading outcome. Dili lang kay ang indicator inyong basihan kay nabay mga whale. Okay, no matter how good are you in your indicators, once the whales are there and they are, you can actually see their presence if you keep on watching, them on the top or on below. So if you are too technical and you did not watch the whales, chances are it will burn you. It will really burn you. Okay? Masusunog ka diyan, masusunog yung ano mo, yung fish pond mo, yung punong mo, no? All right. So again, you saw BCH USDT 29% for the Bitcoin Cash. That's the profit for one position. So for this case, I only have 3 positions today. So what I trade right now is I trade for a longer term as opposed to scalping. I'm going to show you my scalp. Okay, the scalping trades. So this one can only be availed through premium account. So magpa-premium mo, kanin yung gamita. All right? But anyway, automatic na pag premium mo, which is 0.05 BTC or 0.5, that's 500, 0.005, like $50, $50. And then you can get both the premium and the scalping. Where's the scalping? I'll show you the scalp really quick. So let me close this. I-stop na po na ako ni siya. And then pakita na ko sa inyo ang scalp. Okay? All right. Okay. Let me application window. So mao ni guys ang scalp. Kagahapon ni siya. Ano yung paggamay man ako ay. Okay, makita ninyo diri no sa scalping. Again guys, this is not my personal account. This is not my account. This is your account. All Cryptodamos did is to trade it. So you can actually exit anytime if you want. You can actually close your position and you want to. You know, that's beyond the API's control. The API control is just to send a signal and to send this, and then it will trade automatically on your Binance account. So right now, sa 318, actually this is already closed for 2% profit. It's only 2%. Like any XRP Bear, XRP. So you see the same Edwin, Charlie, Iris, JR3, Wayne, JR2, Nyor, Juris, Anthony, Junmark, Eric. Okay, these accounts here are trading this position at a certain amount of position. Like say, for example, I exposed like 10% or 5%, and you profit 2% out of that exposure. So that's how it works. So we need to have more. This is just one part. If you see it, there's gonna be a lot. Okay, so malibat ako mata. So that's why we already work on this. We are working on this, guys. It's not really. It's pain in the eye. So makita ninyo nga gitrabahoan gud ni siya, and it's real trading. This is an example of a spot scalping trading. Okay, and the profit it goes. So alright, nakita ninyo, ginagmay lang siya ang porsyento niya, 1%. Kani siya nga indicator gigamit namo is only like 15 to 30 minutes time indicator, as opposed to the swing trade we use the 4 hours indicator, and the 4 hours is perfect for me. It depends sa inyo unsa inyong gamit. Okay, so mao ni siya guys. Okay, again ayaw kalimot katong nagkuha those who are already on the API management, please add or join the group. Join the group. Mandatory sa mga kuan nagpa-API. Join that group so that we can I can send information there really quick. There's only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 for the Mindanao cluster. Mindanao cluster, please, 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 please don't forget. Okay, I think this is Davao cluster only. So Mindanao or Davao cluster. Wala pang Luzon, wala pang international cluster ani. Okay, so yep, there you go. Okay, next I'm going to show you our Facebook group page. Kizar, gusto na ako magtapok ang investor diri sir unsay minimum para makadako-dako mig volume. Yeah, kamo. The minimum for the trade is only like for the premium 500, or point zero five Bitcoin. But again, it would be wise for you to change it to USDT or Tether. Kamo na lang mag-change. So again, don't forget to PM JRD Grapes for any questions and further information for API. JRD Grapes, he's in charge in the Mindanao cluster. Did that sa Midsayap. Pinobre ra gud nato by now wala man mi mudato ani. Dili man mi mudato ani kay amoa sustainability is what matters here. Sustain. Okay. Now, kaning swing trades, guys, I told you that it can profit about a regular 6% a month. Regular 6% a month total sa inyong portfolio. P or 10. I would say 10. I'm lying, 6. Ang ako lang, I'm just trying to be safe, but 10 is actually like the safest margin. I mean, 6 is the safest margin. 10 is okay, but sometimes it goes up like really, really high. Okay, but I don't want to assure everyone because we don't know. This is a very volatile market, so very volatile trading. This is cryptocurrency. All right. And next, I'm going to show you guys the group. Okay, stop na po na ako ang sharing. Dito na po ta sa group. Share na po na to ang group. I'll show you the group really quick. Quick, 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 quick. Look, quick. Ay, asa naman to eh. Sa Digos. Okay, sa Digos Live. Asa naman ka? Tanawan, ako ibag-og i-post sa Digos Live. I-check ninyo palihog. Nadia ang group nga kung kuan. Dala Binance group, Binance API group in Mindanao cluster. So akong ikuan na wala pa one person wants to join this group. Kinsa ka man mo join. Si Dexter. Okay, approve na ko ni. Pero wala na ba nag-pull out man ka Dex no? You can just add anytime, just let us know. Okay? If you add kung nidungag ka sa kuan portfolio. Okay, let us know so that we can monitor it and do the premium for that. Everybody goes for a premium. Okay? Automatic now, premium na tatanan. Tanan mga kuan is premium. Everyone else. Okay, this is the group name, Binance API Group for Mindanao Cluster. All right. So last few months, after Cryptodamos did some back trading, like when you say back trading, like going back to a few, and he was able to figure out and found out that there's already a good way to to increase the portfolio like significantly, which is the premium one, which is this premium API. So yeah, go ahead with it. I recommend everyone to those to the API already to avail of that program. And secondly, guys, we will set a specific day, maybe on the 30 for, kibalo na mo, pang kape, pang Starbucks ni Cryptodamos sa 30. Sa 30 na lang siguro tanan or 29 kay kinsa to si Eric. I think 26 to Yamo due, but let's say 30 na lang. One day na lang tanan para mausa na lang tanan, no? And yeah, para dili na malibat. Pag malibat na tanan kinsa man ni pas karon ito na may kibalo kinsa ni nga account libog mi, no? We don't know whose account was this, but I don't know. It just on the API. Okay. So that's it. And next. Kato mo trade, manghatag yapon mi og libre gamay signal. Panagsa ra yung ayaw. Panagsa lang, may lang siguro mag-blue moon. Okay, but anyway, we'll try. And let's do a quick overview of the trade. Karon na sa charting na to, mag-charting ta kadyot ha. Di tanaw na to ang charting. Okay, nakita ninyo ang chart karon. You see the chart. This is in a 4-hour time. In Tanaw na to ang diferensya ha. And I'm using the same indicators here. Bollinger Band, stochastic RSI, the VWAP, and kana lang. As simple as that. Let's remove this. Unsa man siya. All right. So we have the stochastic RSI here, and we have the Bollinger Band right over here. Niingon si kuan, niingon diri sa Bollinger Band. Okay. Ang gihatag niya, the information that it provided me as a trader is that it's already oversold. So, I mean, sorry, not. It's overbought. Okay. So, overbought na siya, down na po na siya. No? Na po tendency. But this is for the 4-hour time frame candle. So, nadiri taas kay siya. So, it's already on the upper Bollinger Band. So, the next thing it would do is probably, I would not advise, but on my part, I would probably put a bear coin with this one. A bear, F bear, but this would be for a long-term trade. Siguro 7 days. 7 days lang. Kung dili siya muigo, close. Okay? Kung nigo siya, butang ayo nyo kalimti ang stop loss ninyo. May about like 7% stop loss or 10% stop loss. Do not forget the stop losses. Okay? Just to protect your portfolio. But if you are trading USD to Bitcoin, what for? Why stop loss? Right? Because you will always have the asset anyway, regardless if it goes up or go down. You have your asset anyway. Stay there. But the same thing with the stochastic RSI. It says that it's already like overbought. So if it is overbought, okay, pwede na siguro siya mag-bearish. Okay, unsa may resistance ani karon? Ang resistance ani karon at a 4-hour time, siguro the resistance for this one is 6,500. 6,565 or 6,300. It will resist and then it will go down. That's just my probability, okay? And taas na yang rikan. Then mo support na po ni siya narang support niya ani nara diri sa 4,800. For the long term, 4,800 ay yang support. All right? Now, let's go for the scalp trading. Scalp trading. Sa scalp trading lahi pud ang mensahe. That's 15 minutes. 30 minutes. Well, median na siya sa Bollinger Band, scalp trade, but you can still profit kay kani man gud diri nga range. This range is only like 1%. 6.2 pila ni siya diri. 6.2 dili gani mga 0.1 o mga 1% ra gud ni siya. Okay, this is only 1%. This difference here in the Bollinger Band is mostly like 1 or 2%. That's why I use 30 minutes or 15 minutes for the scalping. Ani. And then you can see that it might be a good time to buy. Go long, but profit loss of 5%. Okay, a stop loss of 5%, and then profit take TP at 2%. Okay, and else with this, it might, you know, it might go as where we want to go, but at this point, 1% lang ka kung mo trade ka ani. Okay, 1% lang. You can only profit about 1% after the trade. Well, if you leverage this, that would be a different story. Okay, but make sure ang leverage bang good. Here's what you need to think, guys. If you want to do leverage, okay, that's for it. If you want to do leverage, just be careful with this. Just take note of this one, and for a regular spot trading without any excess, like regular, like 1:1 ratio, if you have a 5% stop loss, and if you do times two, you also have to multiply with that multiplier ang imuhang stop loss. Okay? You just cannot do it like 5% lang gyapon nimo stop loss ang multiplier ka og 15 and times 100, automatic ihaw ka. Okay? So, luya po mga termo ihaw mo. That's a good question. Ay 30 lang siguro nato unsa man? I-recommend JR. I mean, I think 30 is fine or pizza 30 or at the end of the month 30, no? Katong 15 days libre lang 15 days, i-over na pud sila sa 15 days. How about katong 15 days so they have a free i-over sila dito sa next. So mora na. All right. Those who have 15 days pa lang nag-start, so they will start they will start doing the fees the next month. Okay. So if you have any question, guys, PM JRD Graves because maing tao na siya, maing tao. Okay? And again, guys, we do not wala mega pa ano wala mega pa ano, ang mua lang is only trade and signals. That's all we need to do and we give API. So it's very safe on your part because it's your account. No one can touch your account except you. I mean, when I say touch your account, no one can withdraw your account except you. You know, okay? So natay mga API holder nananghid lang sa ko nga sir, pwede ko ma-withdraw? Oh yeah, anytime. You can do. Pwede ko. Yeah. Like si Dexter who joined just recently sa grupo, pwede siya mo balik pero just to let you know guys nga katong ni withdraw tanggalon sa nako temporarily inyong account dito para dili siya mo so lahi na pud nga kung musugod na pud ta sunod lahi na pud nga API atong gamiton. Okay kay i-delete naman ang tong account. So brand new na pod, brand new. It's like a brand new user. Okay? Gusto ta nako magtapok ang mga investor diri sir. Unsay minimum? Katong ikaw kamo na. Sa amuha ni part ni JRD Grapes, okay naman sa iyang kuan. Okay naman ang sugod lang 0.005 BTC. Actually ayaw kay mubo ang kuan. No? Siguro malugi man gud mo sa ano sa inyong fee. Just to think the fee is like $50. So it's not viable. Not viable, sustainable siya but not viable kay malugi mo. Alright? Malulugi kayo. So ganon. But anyway, um I think any question so far, we will not take this long. Pakpak na yun. Grabe yun. Grabe, nagi mo pakpak ba? Alright, so, walay mga pangutana? No question? Kay mo out na ko. Ay na mangutana ta karon. Anay nangutana, kinsa toy, nay nangayo og signal ko nga, wala pa man ako kayo gi-reactivate ang kuan, ang ang bulang kristal but depende lagi na. Kaya akong ihatag mura pud gyapon ang gihatag nako sa scalp o sa swing. Gamay ra pod. Alright? Sa matod pa sa gisulti ni Cryptodamo sa kuha. Ayaw kalimot guys ha, read the disclaimer. Always read the disclaimer. And always read the description for the API Binance management, update on the Binance management. So always, okay, what we are up to, what we're heading to, and this is a probability game. Probabilities, okay, including we factor in the sentiment, we factor in the fundamentals, and we factor in the technicals. Okay, so those are the things that we are mixing. These three things. All right. Kung mag-trade mo, I think the same principle applies to forex. Well, I used to trade forex in 2006 using Easy Trade and FXCM, but mag-broker ka pa, you still need a broker. Yeah, I was thinking about that. So, sure, I can do that. Pila man tong fee? 15? 20? Daghan mga kuan. Gilang akong i-kuan og balik. I-announce na nako og balik if you have any katong mga interesado. Asa pa man. Unsa pa may mga kuan nato, angay natong isgutan. Pray lang always, GRD Great Live na. Send a video. Wala ni. Bukidnon. Hello, Bukidnon. O si Danilo Kahis. Hello, Butong. Naon tag Butong dia, Danilo. Kani si Jesse, ato gining kani si Jesse ato ning kuan ba aktibo kay nato. Kumusta da Jesse sa kuan? Tagum. Oh, ina naman taga Tagum. Kumusta na ko nila? Mingaw na ko sa mga taga Tagum diri ba. Maayo nagkay itong mga trade manggod. Mayong udto Sir Pete. Wala lang ko mga Facebook kuan karon, YouTube nga follower karon minaw ay. Kuan ra kasagaran taga Digos Live lang. Ako ba yung giapil sa akong personal? Okay. Right? So going once, mao naman siguro to kay naka 30 naman ta, minutes naman ta. Then I think that's it. To sum it up, Bitcoin the whole year from the last year it went up. Okay, for those who said that Bitcoin goes down, actually it's not. From 3,900 last year the same day, it's 6,000 something karon already. Okay, and it's just going up. I mean, I just don't want to trade. Sorry, trade much in terms of Bitcoin pair because it's really volatile right now. Very, very volatile. So, boom, 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 boom. So, yeah. And hello, uban pa sa patang mga listeners nato diha. Asa naman to mga taga Korea nato, mga taga Japan. Musta naman sila, oy? Ay, bukid nun. Unsa pa angay na ko i-share? Wala naman siguro ko i-share. Kato naman siguro, no? Di na kay daghan, katulang and we can get you through. All right. Anyway, shout out for everyone. Oop. Ang akong gugulingon nga ko, nakita na ako. So, daghang salamat guys. Daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw. Thank you so much in listening and I hope you get some tidbits from it, some information, some few information from a little bit of how to trade, where to trade, and what time frame you're going to use, what are the support. It can help you in a way. And then, yeah, and just don't forget, don't forget the APIs. I'm prioritize the APIs right now, Binance, because why Binance API? Why API? Because that's the safest in terms of your asset. It's very safe because you are the ones who hold it. Kamu lang, kamu lang. All what you did was to just we just use the skill of Crypto Damos so that he can trade for us. All right, and I get the signal too. Yay! That's all. And katulang siguro guys, daghang salamat sa pagpaminaw. Ayaw kalimot pag-share, pag-like, especially sa YouTube channel. Nako, ayaw kalimot pag-like po dito, pag-share po dito, subscribe. No? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share and hit the notification button sa kuang. If you're listening to your YouTube channel, don't forget the notification. Okay. See you all and be safe, be clean, and be not hard-headed. Okay? I will not talk about politics of COVID. COVID, yeah. Okay? Bye and ingat sa lahat. God bless. Thank you so much and you all have a great day ahead of you. So after this, mamayo ng dagan na to.